before life, before Earth, before history itself. The universe was built from tiny building blocks called elements. Scientific map ever created.
Everything around you, the air you breathe, the water you drink, your phone, your clothes, even your own body, is built from just a little over 100 elements. But where did these elements come from? Who discovered them? And how did a single table become one of the greatest achievements in the history of science? Today, we'll uncover that extraordinary story together. We're going on an incredible journey spanning more than 2,500 years, the amazing story of the periodic table. Welcome to Chemistry with Pharmacist. If you love science, amazing discoveries, and learning how our world really works, you're in the right place. Let's begin our journey where chemistry itself was born. More than 2,000 years ago, people believed everything in the universe was made from just 4 basic elements: earth, water, air, and fire. Great philosophers thought these 4 elements explained everything, from mountains to stars and even the human body. It sounded convincing, but nature had far more secrets waiting to be discovered. As humans searched for the secrets of nature, a new group of experimenters appeared, the alchemists.
Σκεφτείτε την αιτία και το αποτέλεσμα. Το σύμπαν έχει τάξη και λόγο.
This is where thought meets the sky.
They worked in mysterious laboratories, trying to transform ordinary metals into gold and discover the secret of eternal life. Although many of their dreams were impossible, their experiments created something extremely valuable of modern chemistry. Some elements were known since ancient times. Gold, silver, copper, iron, and carbon were discovered thousands of years ago because humans could find them directly in nature. But as technology improved, scientists began discovering more hidden elements trapped inside minerals and compounds. Every new discovery raised a huge question. If there are so many elements, how can we organize them?
From spark to science, a journey of invention.
In the late 1700s, a scientist, Johann Lavoisier, changed chemistry forever. Instead of relying on beliefs, he used careful experiments and measurements.
I record the mass to understand the transformation of substances.
He created one of the first modern lists of known elements and helped define what an element truly is, a substance that broken down into simpler substances by chemical methods. As scientists discovered more elements, another mystery appeared. What were these elements actually made of? In the early 1800s, John Dalton introduced the atomic theory. He proposed that all matter is made of tiny elements have their own unique properties. This idea changed chemistry forever and gave scientists a new way to understand the building blocks of the universe. Scientists soon realized that elements were not random. Some elements behaved in very similar ways. In 1829, German chemist Johann Döbereiner noticed groups of 3 elements with similar properties. He called them triads. For example, lithium, sodium, and potassium had similar chemical behaviors. This was one of the first signs that elements followed hidden patterns.
These elements exhibit comparable reactivity due to their single valence electron.
A few decades later, English scientist John Newlands discovered another pattern. He noticed that when elements were arranged by increasing atomic weight, every 8th element showed similar properties. He called the pattern to musical notes. Although scientists did not accept his idea at first, it was another important step toward discovering the perfect organization of elements. Then came the scientist who changed chemistry forever, Dmitri Mendeleev. In 1869, Mendeleev arranged the known elements according to their atomic weights and chemical properties. But his greatest achievement was not just organizing the elements he knew.
This is how nature arranges itself.
It was predicting the elements that had not yet been discovered. He left empty spaces in his table and confidently predicted that new elements would one day fill those gaps. Years later, scientists discovered those missing elements, proving that Mendeleev's vision was incredibly accurate.
These discoveries are waiting to be revealed.
Although Mendeleev created an incredible table, scientists later discovered something even more important. In 1913, English physicist Henry Moseley proved that elements should be arranged by their atomic number of protons in their atomic weight. Not just their atomic weight. This discovery corrected the order of some elements and gave us the foundation of the modern periodic table we use today. Today, the periodic table contains 118 confirmed elements. It is not just a list of symbols, it is a scientific map that tells us how atoms behave. Elements in the same group often share similar properties because they have similar arrangements of electrons. From the oxygen that keeps us alive, to silicon inside computers, to iron in our blood, every element has a unique story. The periodic table is everywhere around us. Doctors use elements to create medicines. Engineers use metals to build machines and spacecraft. Technology depends on elements like silicon and lithium. Even your own body is a collection of elements arranged in a perfect chemical design. The periodic table is truly the language of the universe. From ancient philosophers searching for the secrets of nature, to modern scientists unlocking the mysteries of atoms, the journey of the periodic table is the story of human curiosity. But chemistry is far from finished. New discoveries are still waiting to be made. If you want to explore the amazing world of chemistry from the very beginning, subscribe to Chemistry with Pharmacist and join us on this incredible, integral journey of science.